Mommy. Which one would you like?
Ears.
Okay, ears. Easy. There. I didn't see the other. Now you hold it on pick. You hold it. And you had to put it on there on twos. So you look like in two hands like that. And then you push it down there, and then you push it down. You say 1, 2, and it gives you shots. You put that on there. And I'll pick. Okay. I'll pick. Shot. And put it up. Put it up so you can get it. Well, Mother and I, put it down so you can give me shot. Oopsie daisy. Me too. My turn.